morning children. I hope class 7th children are watching this video and I hope all of you are fine, keeping well. So, last day we had started one exercise and few questions we had done. So, today again we will try to do some questions and some hints I will give you, so that rest of the question you will be able to solve. But what questions I am going to solve now, that you must see properly and try to learn, so that rest of the questions also you can solve by yourself. Your up to 6th already we had solved. 7th question is mangoes are sold at rupees 43 whole 1/2 per kg, means 1 kg mango cost this much. What is the weight of mangoes available for rupees 326 whole 1/4? Means suppose if 1 kg if you are purchasing this much rupees you have to pay, and if you are paying 326 whole 1/4 rupees, how much mangoes you can get? So here you see how we will solve this question. Here you see, if you will be having copy like this, here you have margin mark and question should be written left side. Solution what you will make, that should be inside. This side you should be having for rough work. So here you see, here we will write solution for this question. Now what you need to find out, what is the weight of mangoes available for rupees this. So you will write, since rupees 43 whole 1/2 is the price of 1 kg of mangoes. Therefore, in 1 rupees will the price of 1/43 whole 1/2 kg of mangoes. Therefore, rupees 326 whole 1/4 will be the price for or price of 1/43 whole 1/2 into 326 whole 1/4. What I had told you, this number is required to be divided by this. In the same form it came, 326 whole 1/4 into 1 will be 326 whole 1/4 divided by 43 whole 1/2. Now you simplify this. This is required to be multiplied. 4 6 ja 24. In rough work you do 4 6 ja 24. 4 you have written. 4 2 ja 8 and 2 10. 0 you have written. 4 3 ja 12 and 1 13. This 1 is required to be added on this. So you will get 1305. So you will have 1305 divided by 4 and divided by this, you multiply 3 2 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8, means 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. So 86 plus 1, this will be 87 divided by 2. Now how we will simplify this? 1305 by 4 into reciprocal of this, this will be 2 by 87. Now you see, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, and finally you got 1305 divided by 2 into 87. What you need to do? If this 1305 is divisible by 87 or can be cancelled, you try to cancel this and if not, simply 87 and 2 you multiply and divide 1305. So, just you see this can be cancelled or not. 1 and 3 4 and 5 9. So, this will be cancelled by 3. 8 and 7 15, again this will be also cancelled by 3. So, 3 2 ja 6 and 3 9 ja 27. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 3 ja 9, 3 5 ja 15. Now, you have left with 435 divided by 29 into 2, that is 58. Now, you divide this number 435 divided by 58. So, how many times it will go? 7 times you try, 56 and 7 5 ja 35 and 5 40. So, this will be 15 minus 6 9 and 2. So, you will be left with 7 whole 29 by 58, or if you are cancelling this, you will get 21 1 ja 21 and 22 2 ja 58. It means 7 whole 1 by 2. So, the weight of mangoes will be 7 whole 1 by 2 kg, and this will be your answer. So, you can write answer in proper way. Hence, the weight of mangoes available for rupees 326 whole 1 by 4 will be 7 whole 1 by 2 kg. So, in this way this is required to be solved. Vikas can cover a distance of 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours on foot. How many kilometer per hour does he walk? Here you see 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer is covered by Vikas in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours. 7 whole 3 by 4 hours. So, in 1 hour, suppose this is in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours, this much distance is covered. So, in 1 hour, suppose how much distance will be covered, you need to find out. Again, what you need to do, this number is required to be divided by this. So, either in unitary method as we have written in previous question, like that you write, or simply you can write how many kilometer per hour does he walk. So, you can write finally Vikas can cover a distance of 20 whole 2 by 3 in 7 whole 3 by 4 hours. You need to find out kilometer. So, kilometer should be kept on right side, and what things has been given, that should be kept in left side. So, here you write, since 7 whole 3 by 4 hours he takes to complete 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer. Therefore, in 1 hour he will complete or complete 20 whole 2 by 3 kilometer divided by 7 whole 3 by 4 kilometer. Therefore, in 1 hour you need to find out. Yes, in 1 hour only you need to find out. So, here you need to simplify this number. So, therefore, 20 whole 2 by 3 divided by 7 whole 3 by 4 you have. Now, this is required to be simplified. 23 is 60, 60 plus 2, 62 by 3, and divided by you have 7 4 is 24, 7 4 is 28 and 3 31 by 4, and this can be written as 62 by 3 into 4 by 31. This can be cancelled, 2 times it will go. So, finally, you will be left with 4 to the 8 by 3, and this can be written in mixed fraction. So, this will be 3 to the 6 and 2 whole 2 by 3 kilometer. So, in 1 hour he will cover 2 whole 2 by 3 kilometer, and this will be your answer. So, you can write hence 2 whole 2 by 3 kilometer per hour he walks. Next question we have, Preeti bought 8 whole 1 by 2 kg of sugar for rupees 242 whole 1 by 4. Find the price of sugar per kg. Again, directly also you can write price of sugar per kg will be equal to, she has bought, Preeti bought 8 whole 1 by 2 kg of sugar for rupees 242 whole 1 by 4. So, price of sugar per kg will be total amount she paid 242 whole 1 by 4, and how many kgs he has bought? 8 whole 1 by 2. So, total weight of sugar. So, this will be total amount, you have 242 whole 1 by 4 divided by this, you have 8 whole 1 by 2. Now, here you see this, you multiply 4 to the 8 and 1 9, 4 4 the 16. Just you need to multiply this number with 4 and you need to add 1. So, directly I am doing, you need to do in rough place. 4 to the 8 and 1 9 I have written, 4 4 the 16, 4 to the 8 and 1 9 divided by 4 and divided by 8 to the 16 and 1 17 by 2. 969 divided by 4 into 2 by 17. Here you see 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Now, this can be cancelled. 17 1 is 17, 17 5 is 85. So, 11 you have, 17 7 is 119. So, you are left with 57 by 2. It means 2 2 is 4 and 2 8 is 16 and 1 by 2. So, price of sugar per kg will be 28 whole 1 by 2 rupees. So, finally, you can write hence price of sugar per kg will be 28 whole 1 by 2 rupees, and this will be your answer. Okay, next question you have. If the cost of a notebook is rupees this, how many notebooks can be purchased for rupees this much? Means, if suppose one notebook you are purchasing, that costs rupees 27 whole 3 by 4. So, in 249 whole 3 by 4 rupees, how many notebooks you can purchase? So, again same thing is required to be done, this amount is required to be divided by this. So, you can write number of notebooks will be equal to total amount divided by amount for one notebook. So, this will be total amount, just you see how much it is, 249 whole 3 by 4 and divided by 27 whole 3 by 4. This is required to be simplified. You see, this is needed to be multiplied. 4 9 ja 36. Here you see, 4 9 ja 36, 4 4 ja 16 and 3 19, 4 2 ja 8 and 1 9, and this 3 is required to be added. So, this will be 9 9 and 9. So, this will be 9 9 9 by 4 and divided by 4 7 ja 28, 4 2 ja 8 and 2 10 plus 3. So, this will be 1 1 1. So, this you can write 1 1 1 divided by 4. Then 9 9 9 divided by 4 into reciprocal of this 4 by 1 1 1. This will be cancelled, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. This will be cancelled, 9 times it will go 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9 and 9 1 ja 9. So, finally, you need to find out number of notebooks. So, number of notebooks will be 9 and this will be your answer. Next question, you see, at a charity show, the price of each ticket was rupees 32 whole 1 by 2. One cost of one ticket is rupees 32 1 by 32 whole 1 by 2. The total amount collected by a boy was rupees 877 whole 1 by 2. How many tickets were sold by him? Again, the same thing is required to be done. Number of tickets will be total amount divided by price of one ticket. Here you see, total amount you have 877 whole 1 by 2 and divided by 32 whole 1 by 2. This is required to be simplified. 2 7 ja 14, and here you see, you multiply this. So, you will understand in better way. 2 7 ja 14, 2 7 ja 14 and 1 15, 2 8 ja 16 and 1 17 plus 1. So, this will be 5 5 and 17. So, here you have 1755 by 2 and divided by 32 2 ja 64 plus 1 65 by 2. Now, 1755 divided by 2 into 2 by 65. 2 and 2 got cancelled. You cancel this, I think this will be 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, 2 you have left 25, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5. Now, you have 351 by 13. So, 13 2 ja 26, we try to divide this, 351 and divided by 13. 13 2 ja 26, 15 minus 6 is equal to 9 and 1, 13 7 ja 91. So, this can be cancelled how many times? 27 times. So, what you got is equal to 27, and this you got what? How many tickets were sold by him? 27 tickets will be your answer. This will be your answer. So, in this way these type of questions are required to be solved. Few questions are left after this also. So, we will see that. Here you see, A group of students arranged a picnic. Each student contributed rupees 261 whole 1 by 2. The total contribution was 2000 rupees 2876 whole 1 by 2. This is for one student has paid this much, total contribution was this much. How many students are there in the group? Same thing is required to be done. This amount is required to be divided by this amount. So, till here whatever questions I have solved, in the same way this is required to be simplified. So, this much things you must do, so that you will learn yourself. So, try to simplify this. This number is required to be divided by this. So, till here what method I have followed and how I simplified numbers, in this way only you need to simplify this. Next question you see, 24 liters of milk was distributed equally among all the students of a hostel. If each student got 2 by 5 liter of milk, how many students are there in the hostel? Again the same thing is there. This 24 liter total 24 liters of milk was there, and this has been distributed among students, and each student has got 2 by 5 liter. So, number of students will be 24 divided by 2 by 5. I think easily you will be able to solve this. So, try to solve 24 liters of milk divided by 2 by 5 liter of milk. So, you will know the number of students. Next question you have, a bucket contains 20 whole 1 by 4 liters of water. A small jug has a capacity of 3 by 4 liter. See, a bucket contains this much, a jug contains this much. How many times the jug has to be filled with water from the bucket to get it emptied? So, suppose this is your bucket, and this contains how much? 20 whole 1 by 4 liters, and you have one jug, small jug you have, suppose like this. So, this jug contains, you have how much? 3 by 4 liters, 3 by 4 liters. So, how many times the jug has to be filled with water from the bucket to get it emptied? Suppose this is full of water, you need to empty it out. So, what you need to do? This is required to be filled with water from the bucket, and it is required to be emptied. So, how many times you will require to do so? So, what is needed to be done? This 20 whole 1 by 4 is required to be divided by 3 by 4. So, simple simplification is there, 20 whole 1 by 4 divided by 3 by 4, and you simplify that. Next question you have, the product of two numbers is 15 whole 5 by 6. If one of the numbers is 6 whole 1 by 3, find the other. Similar questions already I have told you. The product of two numbers, suppose any two numbers are there, and one number already has been given. One number you have 6 whole 1 by 3. Product means multiplication. The other number you need to find out, suppose this is x, and product you have been given 15 whole 5 by 6. So, this number is required to be found out. So, x will be what? This number divided by this number, means x will be equal to 15 whole 5 by 6 divided by 6 whole 1 by 3, and this is needed to be simplified, and I hope you will be able to simplify this. Try to simplify, you will get the answer. Next you have, by what number should 9 whole 4 by 5 be multiplied to get 42? Similar question is there. By what number, suppose the number is x, by what number should this number be multiplied? If you are multiplying 9 whole 4 by 5 and you are getting 42, so this you are getting 42. Again, two numbers are there, product has been given, this number you need to find out. So, x will be equal to 42 divided by in denominator it will go. So, divided by 9 whole 4 by 5. So, this you simplify, you will get the answer. Next question you have, by what number should this be divided to obtain this? Here you see, by what number should 6 whole 2 by 9 be divided? 6 whole 2 by 9 be divided by what number, so that you will obtain 4 whole 2 by 3. Just you see what you need to do. This number is required to be divided by this. Some simple example you take. Suppose if you would be having, by what number 9 would be divided to get 3. So, by what number it should be divided? By 3. How will you know? This number is required to be divided by 3. 9 divided by 3, you will get the required number. In the same way, here you have to do. Here, in the same way, you need to do. This x will be, what? 6 whole 2 by 9 divided by 4 whole 2 by 3. This you simplify, you will get the answer. And after this you have exercise 2D, objective questions are there. These are very easy questions from whole exercise, these all questions are, and these all has been done. So, I do not think any difficulty you will be having. So, exercise 2C and 2D you will be having your homework. So, these all the questions you must solve by yourself. So, finally, this chapter will be completed, and after that again your task would be test paper 2 you need to complete, and then we will start next day decimals. So, up to here you must complete each and every question, and that must be there in your notebook. So, next day we will see next topic. Until then, thank you.